Put him a battery in his truck. First time trying to start it. Dude, you're gonna have to spray some sparking fluid in it. It hadn't been started in a while. Told you.
Worth a shot.
Hit the hood. Can you, where's it at, Bobby?
Where's what?
Starting fluid.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah. Had you leave it up in there. Got him some new tires on the way.
When am I going to be picking those up?
We got to get the other ones off. Got to get these off. Go ahead and hit it. Huh?
Thought he was going to put them on.
Well, if we haul it up there. See. Hit it.
John, I get the key in.
Come on. Yeah, this guy ain't got no.
Don't look like you're pumping any fuel.
It may take. It'll take it a second to probably get up there. Go ahead, son. Hit it. All right, you're gonna have to keep flat feathering the gas. Go. Keep it going. That's all took off of it, Tommy.
Huh?
It took off of it. There's no the choke's off. Go ahead, son. Hit it again. You get that carburetor on there, buddy.
That dadgum thing sounds good, don't it?
Dude, Dad just had it built. I mean, it's that build. It's got, I forget what cam he's got in it. But Dad had just had the motor built before he got too sick to mess with it. So.
It was good to hear that thing run.
You get that carburetor on it, brother, it'll be slick.
Go wait to get the tires on it so I can pull it downstairs.
Yep.